everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share some insider tips and tricks on how to make your TikTok videos go viral. If you're looking to gain more followers and have your content reach a wider audience, then this video is for you. So let's just dive right in. I myself have gotten millions of views on TikTok, and so I really want to share with you today how I've done it. First of all, you want to make sure you have the proper equipment to shoot your videos with. A must-have is the SyncWire extendable selfie tripod. What I love about this tripod is that it combines the functionality of a selfie stick and a tripod in one. You can take videos from lots of different angles, which adds interest to your videos and keeps your viewers engaged. So definitely taking lots of different shots from different angles definitely helps to make your videos more interesting and will help you to go viral. I also love how this tripod has premium construction. This tripod is crafted with durable ABS and PC black injection molding technology. It also has a rechargeable Bluetooth remote, which provides convenient wireless control with a range of up to 10 meters. So you can stand back, film. It has a seamless Bluetooth connectivity, so you can control your camera when capture confidently. You can shoot up to 20,000 photos in a single charge. This tripod also offers a portable design. It weighs only 350 grams and collapses to a compact size for easy transportation. You can capture moments on the go because it's lightweight and portable, and it's the perfect companion for you to capture those viral moments anywhere, anytime. So I do love to always have this in my bag because you never know when you're going to see something that really would make for amazing content. It also rotates to 360 degrees, so you can get lots of different shots, and it's equipped with anti-slip silicone pads to protect your smartphone. It helps to hold your smartphone in really well so it doesn't fall out like other tripods will. Your phone will fall to the floor and it could break. So that's why this is super amazing as well. These are just some of the features that definitely make this tripod better than the rest and definitely is a must-have. It's just absolutely amazing how it does combine a selfie stick and a tripod in one. So it offers you versatility and you can shoot diverse shooting scenarios. And not only is this selfie stick visually appealing, but it's also super durable, making it the top choice for most people that do TikTok, YouTube, and IG videos. Now, with the Bluetooth charger that it does come with, you can shoot from far away. You can go ahead and just cut out the beginning where maybe you're walking into the scene. And so you can use the Bluetooth to turn on your phone to shoot and capture photos and video easily and effortlessly. And you can use this with Android, with iPhone, and a variety of different devices. So you can easily take content and make those videos anywhere easily and effortlessly. So you definitely want to make sure you have your SyncWire tripod with you, and then this way you can shoot lots of different content, and that is one of the keys to making your videos go viral. You want to shoot a lot of content. You want to upload regularly so that this way the algorithm favors you, and by having your SyncWire tripod with you, you'll be able to make lots and lots of content. I also love how it has an adjustable clamp, so it will accommodate phones ranging from 4.7 to 7 inches. And with a maximum width of 56 millimeters and a maximum width of 92 millimeters, it ensures stable support for smartphones of various sizes and operating systems. This SyncWire tripod offers complete smartphone protection. Again, those anti-slip silicone pads cannot be beat, and it provides the ultimate protection for your smartphone, preventing accidental slips and scratches. The SyncWire tripod is not only high quality, but it's also super affordable as well. I know in the past I had purchased tripods for up to $300, and this one performs so much better. So next up, you'll need good lighting. Something like the Alex Earl selfie ring light is amazing. It's just a clip-on light and then there's also different clip-on lights that you can clip onto your iPhone, and you can purchase them on Amazon. and they are just so effective at making your videos well lit, which is very important for getting a viral TikTok video. So you want to make sure your viewers can see you clearly. You want to shoot facing the sun. You never want to have the sun behind you because that will cause your video to become distorted. So good lighting is definitely key when it comes to getting that viral TikTok video. So you want to always make sure the sun is kind of facing you, but again, too much sun cannot be good. So you want to actually, if you can find a shady spot with the sun kind of filtering through the shade, that would be perfect. But definitely never shoot with the sun behind you because again, that will distort the video and you won't be able to see you or your subject. So definitely pick up something like the Alex Earl ring light. It's just a small light that you clip onto your iPhone. You can shoot day or night and it's absolutely amazing. Now let's get to the actual TikTok steps that you want to take. The first step is understanding the TikTok algorithm. TikTok's algorithm is designed to promote content that is engaging, unique, and keeps users coming back for more. So make sure you pay attention to the following factors. You want to make sure that you use trending sounds and hashtags. Incorporate popular sounds and hashtags into your videos to increase their discoverability. This will boost the chances of your content appearing on the For You page. So how do you find trending hashtags on TikTok? What you do is you go to your homepage, then you go down to the bottom portion of the page where there's the Discover button, hit the Discover button, and it will bring up all of the trending hashtags on TikTok. These are the hashtags that are currently trending. So go ahead and take part in one of these hashtags, create some content that fits the hashtag, and go ahead and use that hashtag in your description when you post your content. You can also go to your homepage and under Creator Tools, you'll see an option where it shows you what's trending. So you can go ahead and make some content using these sounds or just get some ideas or use the hashtags that these trends are using so that you can jump onto this trend as well and get a viral video. Second, you want to create attention-grabbing thumbnails. A compelling thumbnail can make a huge difference in attracting viewers. Use eye-catching visuals or intriguing text overlays to entice people to click on your video. Third, you want to engage with trends and challenges. Participate in viral challenges or trends to increase your chances of going viral. Put your own unique spin on them to stand out from the crowd. 4, you want to focus on short and snappy videos. TikTok is all about quick and entertaining content. Keep your videos concise, engaging, and to the point. Aim for a video length of around 15 to 60 seconds. 5, you want to use captions and text. Add captions or text overlays to your videos to make them more engaging and accessible. This will help viewers to understand your content even if the sound is off. So there's so many great apps that will actually generate captions for you. InShot is one of those apps. It's such a great app to use. Then you want to be creative and authentic. Stand out from the crowd by showcasing your unique talents, skills, or perspective. Be authentic and let your personality shine through your content. Don't be afraid to express the real you and your real viewpoints. Then you want to collaborate with other TikTokers. Partnering with other TikTokers can expose your content to their followers and vice versa. Look for creators with similar interests or complementary styles to yours and reach out. And 8, you want to leverage TikTok's newest features. Jump on TikTok's newest features as soon as they are made available. Also create duets with popular creators to increase your visibility. This can help you tap into their audience and gain more followers. 9, you want to make sure you engage with your audience, respond to comments, engage with your followers, and build a loyal community. The more you genuinely interact with your audience, the more likely they are to share your content. So go ahead and make friends on TikTok and whatever social media platform you're using because people are so good and genuine and they definitely would love to collaborate with you. Then you want to make sure you post regularly. Regularly posting content is essential to keep your audience engaged and attract new followers. Aim for a consistent posting schedule that aligns with your target audience's active times on TikTok. 11, you want to create shareable and engaging content. Focus on creating content that is entertaining, informative, or relatable. The more engaging and shareable your content is, the more likely it is to reach a larger audience through shares and recommendations. 12, make sure you optimize your profile. Make sure your TikTok profile is appealing and reflects your content style. Use an eye-catching profile picture, write a compelling bio, and include links to your other social media accounts or website to encourage users to follow you on your other platforms. Then again, we want to make sure that you collaborate with other influencers. Collaborating with influencers who have a large following can expose your content to their audience and help you to also gain more followers and get those viral videos. This can be done through duets, shout outs, or featured appearances in their videos. So there's lots of different ways to collab. You don't actually have to meet up in real life. 14, cross promote on other social media platforms. Leverage your existing following on other social media platforms by promoting your TikTok account. Share links to your TikTok videos or create teaser content to drive traffic from other platforms to your TikTok profile. A great way to do this is through Instagram stories. Make sure you include the link to your TikTok. Remember, gaining followers and expanding your audience on TikTok and getting those viral videos takes time and effort. So stay consistent, engage with your audience, and continue to experiment with content ideas to find what resonates best with your target audience. And there you have it, my tips on how to make your TikTok videos go viral. Remember, understanding the TikTok algorithm, creating high quality content, and utilizing influencer strategies are all key factors in boosting your chances of going viral. So get out there, be creative, and have fun with your TikTok journey. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel here on YouTube for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.